Guys, today's video is about biomolecule carbohydrate disaccharide. Based on the number of glucose unit, that is sugar unit present in the carbohydrate, they are classified into 4 different types: mono, di, oligo and polysaccharides. We have already studied monosaccharide. Today we will study about disaccharides. Disaccharides are the carbohydrates which are readily binds to sweet receptor in our tongue, so they feel sweet in taste. Guys, disaccharide is a sugar formed when two monosaccharides are joined by glycosidic linkage. Disaccharides are crystalline water soluble compound which are sweet in taste. They are found in many food and are often added as sweeteners. Sucrose is the most common disaccharide available. Disaccharides are obtained from sugarcane and sugar beet. Cakes, dark chocolate, biscuits, cookies, etc. contain table sugar, that is sucrose. Sweet root vegetables like beetroot and carrot contain disaccharides. In our body, disaccharide is a quick source of energy because they are made up of only two sugar molecules which can easily be broken down by enzymes in our digestive system in their respective monosaccharides and absorbed in the bloodstream. Sucrose is extracted from sugarcane or sugar beets. It is also called as table sugar and is a non-reducing sugar. Sucrose is composed of two monosaccharides. You know that it is a glucose and fructose, both of which occur naturally in honey and many fruits and some vegetables. So, honey, table sugar and milk is added in many drinks to get energy. When sucrose is digested, it is broken into simple sugars and is used as energy. Guys, second example of disaccharide is lactose. Lactose is a sugar composed of galactose and glucose as a monosaccharides. Molecular formula of lactose is C12H22O11 as that of sucrose, but its molecular structure is different. Lactose make up around 2 to 8% of milk. Lac in Latin is used for milk and ose means sugar in Latin. So lactose is also referred to as milk sugar. Lactose free milk has an enzyme called lactase that helps breakdown of lactose into two simple sugars, glucose and galactose. Guys, second example of disaccharide is maltose. It is a crystalline fermentable disaccharide sugar which is dextrorotatory. Guys, all biomolecule carbohydrates are optically active, means that they rotate the plane of polarized light to either left or right side. Levo means left side and dextro means right side rotation. Its molecular formula is C12H22O11, same as that of sucrose and lactose, but the structure is different from that of sucrose and lactose. It is formed from starch by an enzyme amylase present in saliva and malt. Maltose is an intermediate reducing product in the metabolism. It is produced in small intestine during the rest of the digestion by hydrolysis of glycogen and starch. It is present in germinating grain. Meaning of malt is germinating seed and ose means sugar. That is, maltose is sugar present in germinating seed. Maltose is light, sweet in taste and is useful in making hard candies and inexpensive sweetener. It is a low cost sugar source. That was all about disaccharide maltose. Guys, if you like this video, then do comment, share and subscribe. You will get more such videos soon on biomolecules. Thanks for watching.